Yes, Mr. Chair, I totally agree with the comments and I appreciate the comments from the members. This thing of human trafficking, as you know, is a serious global problem, okay? And we have laws here, we have institutions globally. It manifests itself in in very different forms, some of which are very subtle. For example, if you're talking about the people who are going to Myanmar, Vietnam, and all those other countries, ordinarily they will just go through the normal recruitment agencies, and then, you know, the process is processed, and they're saying people are going there, they are going to do official jobs, and then when they reach there, they are used for sexual exploitation and other things. So it's also important that we look at these things holistically in mapping out, for example, the labor agencies. We need to have few registered non-labor migration agencies. We also need to make sure that the society is aware of this, what is trafficking, you know, and you know, before someone allows their child to go out of the country, they should be able to know where they're going, which job, where is the application letter, and so forth. But again, they also take advantage of illiteracy. That's why they go for the marginalized areas where literacy levels are very low. I don't know. This is just off my head. I don't want to be a roadside declaration kind of a person. But I think at some point, like we've established other special units, perhaps a special police unit for human trafficking will have to be established at some point. It might be actually necessary, so that even if it is not a fully fledged, that it is all over, but a smaller unit that thinks through, coordinates the assesses the patterns, receives the intelligence report, and works with the officers on the ground. It might be necessary to have a special unit to deal with human trafficking. We already have a unit that deals with the anti-narcotics unit. Again, we have already had a lengthy discussion with NACADA. We think that NACADA's proposal is that this anti-narcotic unit needs to be strengthened. The IG is working on how best it can be made stronger. In his own words, in the words of the IG, he would like to see it to be at the same level with anti-terror unit, because also narcotics and drugs are becoming a problem with us. So in the coming days, we will be seeing a more bolstered, strengthened anti-narcotic unit. And I think that emanating from this discussion, thinking around human trafficking unit might be necessary to confront the new challenges that we are facing as a country. As you can see, the